problems. That looks too happy.
Stuart's just customising a custom system, if that makes sense. It's a bespoke system, just made it a little bit larger, and with the lace you can go in and customise it, as you can see. It needs a sharp blade, and you just pierce the lace, you don't go straight through, because it'll cut the hair off of the other side. Right, I'm just filming in just before we start. Daryl's all prepared, actually took off the hair system himself and cleaned it. And what do you think so far?
It's going good.
It's going good.
When you doing? I'll go away in 2 weeks. Then we're going to Santorini end of August.
Was it all down to the training you got from Stuart?
Yeah, that's it.
Here we!
Well, more confidence and everything went up after being in the Stu.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it did, didn't it?
guys. That's a really nice feeling mud mask. That.
Thanks, Daryl. Does it feel really nice?
Oh, amazing.
Does it feel like it's exfoliating your scalp already?
My whole body feels exfoliated.
Using Ghost Bond.
I think so.
Yeah. Good.
Head down for me. It's a new me under here, Phil.
Yeah. You look like a Cornish miner back in the day.
Don't you like them apples? Got like a messy bun on top. Do you think that should leave it?
Yeah, why not? I think you're up for anything today, Daryl.
Well, look, geisha.
We've got some fun with
We
you.
haven't done anything like that, have we?
It's a busy room. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Is there 5?
It's fine.
That must be me, myself, and him. Give us a spin then, Daryl. Yeah, a little finger spin.
Here we go.
There we go, mate. Well done. And edge round a bit in the chair a little bit. Okay.
Do a full spin for you, Phil.
Yeah, go and whiz it round. Be like a child. Hey, looking good. Well done.
Looking through the door again, we'll get a bit of the hair in as well. And it's all about the shade. Stay there, Phil. There we go.
That's a cool picture. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.